Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 don't respond, you're not alone. This issue can arise from various factors, including wear and tear or accidental spills. If left unattended, it can hinder your typing experience and lead to further complications, making it essential to address the problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement keyboard compatible with the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, lay it on a clean, flat surface and locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be careful to keep track of them, as they can be easily lost. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the back panel off, starting from one corner and working your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the keyboard connector cable. This is usually situated near the top of the device. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the securing flap on the connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, you will need to remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, there may be additional screws securing it in place. Check for any screws located around the keyboard area, and remove them. Once all screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from the laptop, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connector. Press it down securely in place, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard by firmly pressing it into the connector. Once the keyboard is secured, replace any screws you removed earlier to ensure it stays in place. Finally, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips click into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 and test the new keyboard. Ensure that all keys are functioning correctly before concluding your repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's wise to keep liquids away from your laptop and regularly clean your keyboard to remove debris. Additionally, consider using keyboard covers to protect against dust and spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.